name's Sue and I work at Blackheath Conservatoire teaching children art. So I'm running a course online to show in these videos. We're going to base our work on the portrait of Barack Obama done by Kehinde Wiley, who's the first African American to do a portrait, a presidential portrait. This is the official portrait, and we're going to think about portraits and do our own, about symbolism, and then learn about doing different printing techniques based on the work of William Morris. And then we're going to do some three-dimensional work, making some Play-Doh, making a paper sculpture, and then some puppets with moving parts. We've got two different kinds of puppets as well. So come and join me.